Hey guys, happy Thursday. I just want to kind of give you a quick video on the instructions for today and what you're going to be doing during your independent work time. So, during independent work time, you are going to be completing Ed Puzzle Shells Part 2. Part 2. Okay. There's a lot more questions in this one because it's talking about all the way from the beginning of the book to the end of the book, but it's also talking about the stuff in between. Okay. So, some of those more nitty gritty questions as well as some of those bigger picture questions. Please just do your best on it and you'll be okay. I promise, guys. The second thing I'm going to have you guys work on is a flip grid. On your flip grid, you're going to be talking about how Michael has changed and grown, and so has Aunt Esther from the beginning of Shells to the end of Shells. So if you notice, if you haven't actually completed both part 1 and 2 of Shells, that flip grid is going to be very difficult for you to do. The last thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be watching another short video from me. I'm going to be talking to you about our next big project, which is it's called Where I Live. And the reason we're doing this project is because a lot of times kids just don't quite understand where on planet Earth they actually fall. So we're going to start from really big and we're going to get to really small. And that way you guys can see where exactly you live in relation to everything else on the earth. So I hope that helps, guys, and I hope you have a great time. Please make sure you're not popping into other small groups and that you're not coming back to small group early, okay? Because if you come back early, I always have a small group up until the time of our whole group. So I don't want anybody to accidentally pop in and interrupt another group. For my morning class, you need to be back to whole group at 11:40. For my afternoon class, you need to be back at 2:25. I'll see you guys later.